beautiful people, welcome to my channel. Yes, today I'll be talking about the opportunity card, the German opportunity card. Yeah, so you've been hearing about the German opportunity card and all of that. This is a new pathway that the Germany government has released for skilled workers to migrate to Germany. Yes, it's a new pathway for immigration, but you have to be a skilled person. You have to really be a skilled person. So this opportunity card gives you the opportunity to actually move to Germany, and you can stay up to a year and look for a job. Yeah. So in this few times that you move to Germany, you can actually look for simple jobs to actually be doing, depending on when you get your the dream job that you're looking for. But it's just a pathway for skilled workers. That's why I keep emphasizing this. You're in your home country, learn skills, learn skills, or be highly educated. It's either you have a degree or you have a vocational work training. Learn skills. There are a lot of skills you can learn in your home country. We have some nice and good professional skills. And also, please, it's not just anyhow kind of skills that you should learn. There are skills that are highly in demand, like tech skills, engineering skills. You can learn all the skills. If like plumbing, you know how to do plumbing, tiling, and all of that. This is what this opportunity card is for people who are highly skilled. You can do tiling professionally, you can do electrical work professionally, you can do like tech work professionally. These are high in demand skills, or you are a high level chef. These are high what in demand what skills that you can actually what learn. So if you're in your home country right now, you have to learn good skills if you really want to succeed when you move over there. So this is a pathway for skilled people to move towards Germany. So it gives you an opportunity to move, and then you stay up to a year while you look for a job. So even if you don't have a job, this opportunity card is also called Chancenkarte in Germany. Chancenkarte. So it gives you the opportunity to move to Germany even without having a job. Yeah. So you get there. So in my next video, I am going to tell you who is eligible. Okay, who is eligible to have this chance card. So it's not just anyone, it's not just anybody that you know that can just have the opportunity. Okay, so that's why I keep telling you, if you're in your home country right now, you don't have a skill, rush, go and learn a skill. Not just anyhow skill, learn a very good skill. Okay, learn skills that are in high demand. Learn skills that you know that these skills are professional skills. I've mentioned some of the skills here. You can go online and check what are some of these skills that are highly in demand. I mentioned plumbing, I mentioned electrical work. You learn how to do, if you're an electrician, learn how to do tiling, learn how to do all this window, almaco, and the rest. Learn, if you're a professional chef, a professional cook, it's also a very good skills. Also learn engineering skills, learn tech skills. I mean, see, this tech skills is a banger. Hmm. You can never run out of no job if you learn these tech skills. So I don't know what you're doing right now. Learn how to drive. Okay? Learn how to drive from your home country. If you can learn it, learn it. These are skills that can land you great opportunity. So I'll see you in my next video. I'll tell you who is eligible to apply for this chance card.